guys, we're gonna be making breakfast for the kids. Today is Saturday, so we're making breakfast for the kids. We're gonna make pancake, egg, and bacon for the kids. So just watch me how I make stuff for my kids, and they love it. They love it. It's Saturday morning. Spoil the kids. Okay, I got it. I'll peel it off. Oh yeah. So okay, this is what I have here, and I'm gonna mix very gently because I don't want to make a lot of mess, so I mix them in here. If I need more, I'm gonna put more. If I don't need more, but this is my measurement, so this is gonna serve me in a case. Once we make one of this, then we're fine. So I want a real take. I discover the more it taker, the less it is for you to, get together and get you right out of that kitchen. Ooh, I make a mess. I put too much water. I don't know if I want to get a bigger bowl, but I didn't want to make a mess this much, but I don't have a choice now. We're gonna use this bowl and we're just gonna dump everything in there. I'll put it back in there, but for now, yeah, I'll put it back in here because we'll put it back. I'll clean up. Clean the place, and because I need to pour, it's not what I want yet, and the bowl, the stuff is small, so I have to. So I pour in 2 eggs already. So this is how it look like, and we're gonna start putting it on the bowl. So I'm gonna put this aside. Guys, wash up. Oh, this my son gummy. No, don't mind them. I'll be like, mommy, I want this. Mommy, I want that. And then when you give it to them, they don't want it. I'm thinking if I should put it back. I'm just gonna scoop it. I'm just gonna scoop it. So I'll keep the rest of them. I'll put it here for next time. We will not be using this one today. I'll put it away and put water in it for just in case I need it. Not today. Nah. I wanted to use it, but that's the thing. That's the measurement for the house. But yeah, it didn't work. It didn't work today. So we're gonna clean up the grill. I'm gonna go grab vegetable oil. People use butter, but I don't know. For some reason, my kids don't. Even me, I don't like butter with it. So I always use. I'm not gonna use everything, but so yep, we have this. We're gonna grab 2 plates. We love to be set up and start. So I put the already. Everything is set. Want to take our first scoop. Y'all can see. And there you go.